Governors push for tax reforms to reduce inequality and boost revenue. The NGF, comprising 36 state governors, has been working tirelessly to address the country's fiscal challenges. The background of the NGF stance: the NGF has been advocating for tax reforms since 2018, recognizing the need for a more efficient and effective tax system. The forum has been pushing for the implementation of a more progressive tax system, where the wealthy are taxed at a higher rate than the poor. This approach aims to reduce income inequality and increase government revenue. Key aspects of the NGF's tax reform agenda include: plus implementing a more progressive tax system, plus increasing the tax base through the introduction of new taxes, plus improving tax administration and enforcement, plus reducing tax evasion and avoidance. The road to the communiqué: the NGF stance on tax reform has been shaped by months of strategic conversations with various stakeholders, including the federal government, the National Assembly, and other relevant agencies. The proposed bills aim to address the current tax challenges faced by the country, including the lack of a unified tax code, inconsistent tax rates, and inadequate tax collection mechanisms. The need for tax reform: the current tax system in Nigeria is plagued by inefficiencies and inconsistencies, which hinder the government's ability to collect revenue effectively. The lack of a unified tax code, for instance, leads to confusion among taxpayers, making it difficult for them to understand their tax obligations. This, in turn, results in underpayment of taxes, which deprives the government of much-needed revenue. The remaining 20% will be retained by the federal government. This new system aims to address the long-standing issue of unequal distribution of VAT revenue, which has been a major source of contention among states. The governor's stance on tax reform: the governors have been vocal in their support for the tax reform bills, which have been a long time coming. The vision of the tax boss: the tax boss has a clear vision for Nigeria's tax system. He envisions a system that is fair, efficient, and effective. Aderonke Toyebi is the technical assistant on broadcast to the executive chairman of the Federal Inland Revenue Service. Views expressed by contributors are strictly personal and not of the cable.